Hey guys, what's up? John here from flyatmikealpha.com, coming to you today to talk about something we don't talk about too often, the actual website flyatmikealpha.com itself. So many of you guys have already seen flyatmikealpha.com, the website with all those awesome courses on there, private pilot, instrument, commercial pilot, many of those free courses that many of you have already signed up for. Besides just watching the YouTube videos, there's tons of awesome stuff on the website as well, as many of you know. There's tens of thousands of users on that site right now, and that's what we're talking about today. So we have the free private pilot ground school, the free spin training courses, some basic weather courses. All of those courses are free and you can sign up, you can log into them, and that's going to change here. And the reason is we have tens of thousands of users, and every time you click to complete a lesson or take a quiz question or answer anything or post a comment, that takes up a little bit of space in our database and on our servers. So all of those courses will remain free. As we've always promised, we wanted to create a free online ground school when we set out to do this, and that's what's happening. So the website will still have all those free courses on there, and you won't have to create an account any longer to access them. You can just go right to them. If you already have an account and it's a paid account, it'll stay on there and nothing will change. You'll still have access to all the courses. If you have like the first officer subscription, that gives you access to private pilot, instrument pilot, commercial pilot, check ride, and ground schools on there, and all the other courses on the site. So if you have a paid membership, nothing really changes for you. If you're going to create a new membership, you can no longer create a free membership on the site, and that's because it just creates too much space on our database, and we don't really have funding for tens of thousands of free accounts. We have to somehow pay for all that server space and all those database entries when people go through and take those courses. So if you want to take the free courses, by all means, go on there, just log on to the site. All that information is there for you for free. If you want to take those free courses and be able to actually track your progress, it's $8 a month or about $8 a month. You can go on there and that will actually give you an account. So that's going to be our basic membership fee to create an account, be able to post your questions, post your comments, all that sort of stuff. All that stuff that takes up a lot of space on our servers. So a small fee, hopefully not too much, and it kind of helps us keep doing all these videos for free for many of you guys. So we'd really appreciate if you guys sign up for that. If you already have an account on the site that is a free account, it's not paid, you may see some changes. You may not be able to take the courses where you can actually keep track of your progress anymore. You can still access everything for free, but after the first of the year, you'll see some of that stuff start to change, and some of your user data may start to disappear because we simply can't keep paying for all that space to store all the history of your quizzes and courses and lessons and things like that, unless there's some sort of membership fee attached to that. And so that's going to be the basic membership, and it's just a one-time annual fee. So go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description below. If you guys have any questions on this, you can let us know, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the computer now. We'll walk you through how to actually access all those free courses without even signing up or creating an account. So to get into any of the free courses on the site, you simply go up to Courses, click on Free Courses, and then click on the course you want. Let's say we want to get into the free version of the Private Pilot Ground School. So we click on that, and you can see 0 out of 113 steps completed. That's because you're not logged in, so it's not going to keep track of any of your steps here. You scroll on down, and you click on wherever you want to begin. Maybe you want to begin at Lesson 1. You can go ahead and click right on Lesson 1. It'll open up the lesson. You scroll through, you watch the video, you go ahead and read any text associated with it, and then you progress through each topic. Go ahead and click each topic one at a time. You can click on them on these little blue dots to move through, or you could simply click on the titles over here on the right side of the page. Now, once you finish a topic, or finish all the topics rather, you can scroll on down to the bottom and click back to lesson. It'll bring you back to the lesson page, list all the topics again. If you want to go ahead and review anything, then you can go ahead and click on the quiz, and you can actually take the quiz. Now, it won't save any of your data, and none of these little circles will turn green because it's not keeping track of your progress. It'll always stay at 0% when you're not logged in. If you want to log in, you can go ahead and hit register in the top right. It brings you to this page. You can use any of these options that will allow you to keep track of your progress and give you access to more courses on the site. If you don't want to do that, if you want just keep track of your progress in the free or open courses, that's the cheapest option. You can go ahead and scroll on down here to how do I sign up for free. Click on to sign up for the basic membership, click here, and that will bring you up to the basic membership option. It's $99 a year, $8 a month or so, paid annually. Fill out your information. That will allow you to create an account on the site, and then you can go ahead and keep track of your progress. You can earn gallons of avgas on our leaderboard as you study and pass courses. Print out your certificates as you complete courses, and you can even ask questions on the online forum, as well as get access to lots of great resources under the Pilot Resources tab. Once you're logged in, your screen's going to look a little bit different. You'll have a lot more options to choose from, and you'll have this sidebar over here. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and click on Help, and you can talk to a live person through tech support here at flyatmikealpha.com to help you with any of your questions as you go through the ground school or just navigating around the site. And as always, if you have any questions on this, you can go ahead and leave them in the comments right below on this video. And remember, if you cannot fly every day, then fly 8mikealpha.com. We will see you guys next time.